Hey crazy shoppers, it's Angie. Today I'm at the One-Up Factory in NintendoLand in Epic Universe. Let's go inside and let's go shopping. He's having a great day. Wow. There is so much stuff in here. Well, let's get started. Super Nintendo World glasses for $16. Don't want to break it. This wonderful cup. Wow. That is so cool. $20 for that. These glasses right here. $15. We got the picture frame right here. Let's see how much. $30. And of course we have magic bands. I don't know the exact price, but they're around $50. We got Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach, Daisy, Toad, Yoshi, Donkey Kong, and Diddy Kong. Super Nintendo World shirts for $50. Holy cow. Alright. So right here we have these Donkey Kong cups, mugs for $21. Then we have Donkey Kong jackets for $65, as well as this Donkey Kong Country shirt for $37. Sorry guys, it's really loud in here. Donkey Kong Country sign for no price. I think they said around $30 that was. And the shirt right here, let's see the price. $30 for the shirt as well. And we're gonna go over here. These thermoses for $29, as well as this kid's Donkey Kong shirt for $25. And we're gonna come over here for these Donkey Kong cups for $12 each. This kid's Donkey Kong shirts for $28 each. There's so much stuff. Okay, here we go guys, this is gonna be a long video. $25 for the headbands of Donkey Kong and Diddy Kong. $35 for these hats. These Donkey Kong bags right here for $32. Come over here. Another Donkey Kong cup for $16. And this is the adult size shirt for $35. So coming over here for the Donkey Kong plushies for $25. And right here, I think they said they were $40, these plushies. Yep, $40, I remember that from a few hours ago. Holy cow. Good job, me. Diddy Kong plushies. That's so cool. As I look for a price of $25. We have some Donkey Kong nightwear for $40, that shirt. $38 for the pants. $33 for the shorts. And for the kids shirt, we have $33, excuse me. And then for this picture frame, we have $30 for the picture frame. Coming over here, we already got that one. This shirt, $40. Oh, this is a purse right here. That's kind of cute. For $20. This decals sheet for $13. And then we're gonna come over here to the mystery pin set for $20. This Donkey Kong shirt for $75. This Donkey Kong jacket for $75. This fleece blanket for $40. Oh, this is a cool mug right here of the Mystery Mine for $25. And this banana Donkey Kong pouch for $35 as well. And this baby shirt for $30. One of my favorite sections, Princess Peach. Let's see how much those cups are. $32 for the cups. $35 for the shirts. $28 for the kid shirt. And this Peach shirt, let's see, it's a long sleeve shirt for $45. Going over here to Mario. $45 for this shirt as well. $28 for this. I forgot what the price they said. I think it was $30. Yeah, $32 for the cups. $35 for the shirt. And the Mario hat is $35 as well. $35 for that Luigi. $32 for the Luigi. $35 for the shirt. $28 for the kid shirt. And $35 for the adult shirt. As we come around right here. For the Toad area, let's check out the lunchbox. For $32. The Toadstool Cafe plushie pillow for $30. Oh, this cute dress for $55. And then the Toadette shirt for $40. I'm going to go over here to more Toadette stuff. So we're going to go with the mugs real quick. The mugs are $16. Oh, cool. So a magnet list pad set. Recipes, grocery list, and weekly plan. $15 for that. And these Toad plushies for $18. And some cool towels. Crazy Grandma would love these. $25 for two of the towels. Wow. Moving on. A Toad shirt for $40. Toad headbands for $27. This Chef Toad little minifigure for $40 also. Princess Peach action figure for $30. And this no sleeve Peach shirt for $37. I'm gonna go over here to the Bowser section, with the Bowser shirt being, or not a shirt, a hat. $35 for the hat. And for this jacket, $65. Checking out this sign as well. $35 for the sign. At least we have an answer now. These cups are going to go for $32. This regular Bowser Challenge shirt for $40. As we go to these mugs for $29. And $70 for the jacket. These cool popcorn buckets for $39.99. And this cool jacket, $65. As we go over here, I see a jigsaw puzzle. Oh, wow. Haley would love this jigsaw puzzle. Holy cow. $25 for the puzzle. I'm going to have to get that for her. She would love that. Mario Kart Grand Prix shirt for $30. $37. And we go over here to the Toad Racing Toad for $22. This Mario Kart 92 shirt for $35. Is that when Mario Kart came out? 32 or 92? That's interesting. As we go to this sign right here, $29. Super Nintendo hats for $35. And this cool Mario Kart backpack. Wow. With the seatbelt? $60 for that. And another Mario Kart 92 shirt. $35. As we come around, see more signs. $29. What is this? Oh, it's pants. Okay, it's like pajama pants. Let's get a price for you guys. $40 for the pants. $34 each. $55 for this little controllable Mario Kart. That's really cool. $30 for this Super Nintendo World sign. $29 for the hat. $35 for the shirt. $25 for these cups. They're like thermoses. $35 for this shirt. And $65 for this jacket. Wow guys, this is really cool. I'm not gonna lie. The Bowser backpack for $100. This is absolutely well. Two different size Bowser plushies. $25 for the small one. And then $40 for the big one. As we go to these cool cups. Guys, we're actually making it about halfway there. $21 for this mug, which is really cool. This little sipper for kids. $18. And these cute little tote bags. $7 each. We're going to come over here. Little coin purses for $22. Little like plushie case. This is weird. $20 for that. And then this, what is this? Oh, that's a blanket. Oh, that feels so nice. That's going to be $40 for the blanket. $37 for this Boo plushie pillow. And also $37 for the Star one. We're going to go over here. Oh, real quick. I see this. $37 for the Yoshi one and the egg one. Coming over here to these masks right here. Let's get a price for you guys. Alright, I need to pause it. I need to find a price. Ah, okay. I found prices. $39. So they're all $39. So we got Donkey Kong and Toad. We got Yoshi, Luigi, Mario, Bowser, Koopa, and Bomb Bomb. All these are $27. Wow, they're really cool. Let me take you to my favorite, of course. The Princess Peach one. I want one. I really want one. Anyways. Going to some more cool stuff. This is what the guy was twirling around at the beginning of the video for $30. Then we got piranha plants. These are little plushies for $22. Bomb Bombs, $20 also. Koopa's $20. The chain is also $20, and then the squid is $22. Oh my. I gotta get one. I have to have one. $21, maybe next time. But I gotta get one. I love it. Daisy also, and Rosalina. That Mario popcorn bucket, which is really cool. And they have the Star one also for $39.99. Then we have the little Toad and Toadettes. We got $22 for the Toads and the Toadettes. The drink bottles, $33.99. Alright, Mario plushies. We got the plushies, guys. $35 for Mario, Yoshi, and the Toad. As we go to my favorite things. Anyways, we got this whole section we'll check out in just a second. Let's make sure we didn't miss anything. I think this is like a statue figurine of type. $37 for that. And the plushie booze for $22 as well. $22 for those as well. Mario and Luigi hats. I think we already seen those. Yes, we already seen the prices on those. Now the Mario and Luigi shirts, the jackets. Let's see if we can get a price. These are really cute. $70 each. Oh, and we got Mario hands, the gloves. Let's see how much. $29. The Toad shirt right here. The adult is $30, while the kids shirt is $28. Only $2 cheaper. Wow. The Toad hat right here, guys. Does not have a price on it. Sorry. I got Toad mugs right here for $16. We got the cups for $12. And the Toad carrying bags for $32. We've seen the plushies. We didn't see this stuff right here. So the shirt is gonna be $35. The mugs up there, $16. The cup right here, $12. And another bag for $32. And the kid's shirt is $28. We've seen those two items right there, so let's go for the pillow. I love this pillow. I need all the stuff Peach in here. $35. $28 for the shirt, the kid's shirt. The Peach bag, $32. And the Peach cup for $12. Then we have the Peach mugs for $16. Another $16 for the Mario mugs. The Mario pillows is gonna run you $35. You know the prices of these already, guys. The shirt, $35. $27 for the headbands. We got some pillows, the Luigi cups as well, the mugs, and the shirts. $16 for the Bowser Jr. plushies. And the Bowser Jr. kid shirt for $28 as well. And the same stuff, the same price as we just seen, but in Yoshi as well. But we did not see the Yoshi hat. $39 for the Yoshi hat. $35 for this hat. This cool looking jersey for $90. This sleepwear shirt for Yoshi is $75. And as we go over here, we see the mini backpacks. Let's go check that out real quick. For $20. And this really cool backpack is really a big one. $60. We're going here to the Yoshi bags. No prices on those. Boo. These cute Yoshi slippers for $30, while the fleece blanket is $40. This cute Yoshi shirt for kids is $28. We got a scrunchie, 2 scrunchies actually, for the price of 1. No price. And then we have some more stuff over here. The little Yoshis you could buy. Oh, how cute. Kids outfit for Yoshi. Let's see how much that is. $45 for the 2. The shorts, the Yoshi shorts, is gonna run you $35. And we got the Yoshi's Kid Cups. Let's see how much those are. $18. The Yoshi different colored figurines. $37. Oh, stack, play, and display. That's cool. $35 for the pillow. Wow, guys, this store is absolutely incredible. This has everything the 80s, 90s, and even the 2000 kid would ever want in a Mario Kart. Like, they literally have everything. When you guys come to NintendoLand in the Epic Universe, make sure you guys stop here. Check out our regular Instagram and Facebook, Crazy Family Fun. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, press the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, and tell me on the comments what was your favorite item here. Anyways, guys, live life and shop. Until next time, have a super epic NintendoLand day.